Today, I'll show you how to add the Ink Splat transition, a powerful effect that creates a dramatic ink splash to reveal your next clip. First, import two clips into your timeline and place them side by side. Between them, you'll see a small plus icon. Tap on it to bring up the transition options. Now, head over to the matte section and you'll notice multiple ink transitions. Each one has a different ink splash style, so feel free to preview and choose the one that matches your project. Once you've picked your ink effect, adjust the duration slider at the bottom. If you want a fast, snappy ink splash, keep it short. For a more dramatic, cinematic look, drag it out for a longer duration. And that's it. You've successfully added an ink splat transition in VN Video Editor. It's perfect for creative edits, trailers, or any project that needs a bold and stylish transition. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more VN video editing tips.